Hi, I'm Ron, a volunteer guide on the train trail with Friends of Gillette Castle. I'm here to tell you about this amazing whistle. This whistle is very solid, handcrafted of maple and pine in Vermont by the Maple Landmark Company, a family-run organization. This whistle is laser etched. There's a lot of detail that I didn't even notice till I checked it out. And the absolute best part of this whistle is the amazing sound. You can purchase this or many other items at the gift shop. All proceeds go to the Friends of Gillette Castle, an all-volunteer organization.